guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really good. Today is Vlogmas day 10 and we are going to end Vlogmas here because we couldn't really do, I was doing alternate days. I think I missed a lot of days in between. That comes to 5 days for sure. And tomorrow is Christmas, so Merry Christmas all of you. I'll probably do a video of tomorrow also. That'll be the decor thing, which I've set up, this thing, how I redecorated my room and all that stuff will be there in tomorrow's video. So yeah, probably 11 videos, which is actually an odd number. But anyways, today's video is going to be something really exciting. I got like very good engagement in my last video with Ikea. It was awesome. So there's this Ikea sale going on from 22nd December to 13th Jan. So I really wanted to go and have a look at all the items that are on sale and see what are really good, and I really wanted to show you guys the favorites of mine in sale section. So I happened to go to Ikea today and I have checked almost all the prices, all the items, the products and all that stuff. But to my surprise, not everything is on sale. There's only few particular stuff that are on sale and it's actually written like sale in big numbers. Sale was not on beds, mattresses and all this stuff. So I tried to take all the stuff which are my favorites in the sale section and I put everything in this video. So yeah, I hope you will like it. Let's go. So the first one in my favorite list is this armchair, which is originally priced $14,990 and is now $6,990 on sale, which is a steal. Then this set of 3 glass tables is just for $2,990 on sale again. Next one is this classic wooden table, is just for 2,290 rupees on sale. And this has to be my favorite in this section. It's a glass dining table with 4 chairs, is just for 6,990. That's a very good deal. Next are these sheer curtains, just for rupees 299 for one pair. I also like these cushion covers, which are just for $199 on sale, and not every pillow cover is on sale, only selected items. Also these cushion covers are just for rupees 159. Then moving on to bath section, few towels are on sale for rupees 119 and rupees 99. Again, only selected items are on sale. Guess what guys, table lamp is just for rupees 185. This is one of the best items I've came across in this Ikea sale. And also this is my favorite, a lamp pendant. It was originally for 4,000, it's just for 1,990 rupees. This cute LED decor lights are super adorable. You get these in sizes and 3-pack mini is just for 299 rupees. How cute. I also found this cute fabric storage box. It is super sturdy and just for 149 and they are handmade. And few more storage boxes for 149 and this one is just for 29. Next, jumping into stationery section, everything is at 99 rupees and I got the set of paper sticky notepad, binding clips, paper clips and small arrow sticky notes is just for 199 rupees, and everything you see here from decor tapes to gift wraps bundles for just rupees 99. And so much Christmassy vibes in this stationery section. Then I found these cute unscented candles, best deal I should say. 3-pack of these jumbo candles is just for 199. And then coming to decor section again, these frames are super adorable and in different colors for just rupees 65. And I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw this one, 4 pieces of canvas painting for just rupees 990. What a deal! Also, I saw a few mirrors were on sale. Oh hey, that's me. Okay, quick OTD. I was wearing Shein dress. This is mentioned in my Shein haul video. If I haven't checked out, I'll leave the link somewhere. And I'm wearing Mules from Forever 21. And then some fake plants for rupees 299. Again, only sale on selected items. This one is also my favorite. These are scented candles, tea light candles for just ₹99 for 30 pack. How awesome is that? And more of Christmas decor available on sale, from gift wraps to Christmas tree ornaments, Santa toys and many more. And I picked up this tea cup for just ₹149 on sale, perfect for hot chocolate this winter. And this is another item I picked, a set of 6 glasses, which is so good, for just ₹150 on sale. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And tomorrow there'll be a video of my room thing that I have done, rearranging my room. So don't miss out on that, to just see what all I got from where and how I did everything. So yeah, with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.